Hello everyone, I am Arpit Kumar Sharma and welcome back to Pably. So today I am going to tell you how you can add Razorpay payment details to your Airtable database automatically. Now, why would you need this automation? Suppose you are running an online store and people have been paying you through the Razorpay payment gateway. Now what will happen? You will receive the details of those people and you can save them in an Airtable database from where you can call them again, you can message them again and constantly send them your promotional offers. So this is a very handy automation. Now, what are we going to do here? First, we are going to make a payment through Razorpay. After that, the details will be sent to your Airtable database and a new record will be created. Now to do this automation, we are going to use an integration and automation service Pably Connect, which will help you connect Razorpay and Airtable together. Now if you want to learn how to do this automation, you have to come with me to the screen.
And we are here at our screen. So what you have to do, you have to go to the address bar and type in pably.com/connect. And as soon as you will do that, you will be redirected to this page. Now here you have two options. Either you can sign in or you can sign up. Now signing up is absolutely free. So you can sign up in 2 minutes. And also we are giving you 100 free tasks from our side every month. I already have an account here, so I will just go for sign in. Okay. Now I will go and click on access now. And now here I will go for create a new workflow, because to create an automation, I have to first create a new workflow. So I will just click on create workflow. And here I have to put the name Razorpay to Airtable integration. Okay, I'm using this name. You can use whatever name you want to. Just click on create. And as soon as you will do that, you can see here we have two windows. First one is trigger, second one is action. So trigger window is the window where an event is happening at the start of the process, and action window is the window where the final event happens at the end of the process. So trigger means when this is happening, action means do this. Okay. So what are we doing here? We are doing a payment in Razorpay, or we are receiving a payment in Razorpay. So we will go to Razorpay and here we will select payment captured. Okay. Now, how are you going to connect your Razorpay account with your Pably Connect account so that whenever a payment has been made in your Razorpay account, the data is captured into the Pably Connect account? What you are going to do is you are going to follow all these steps and connect your Razorpay to your Pably Connect. So you will just copy this webhook URL. Now it is saying log into your Razorpay account and navigate to webhooks. Click on add new webhook and then select the payment captured from the active event section. So we will go here. From here we will go to settings. Here you can find webhooks. So this is webhooks, and you can only have, I think, 5 or 6 webhooks in demo. So let me delete one webhook here. Okay, add new webhook. Now here you have to paste the webhook URL. You do not have to, select anything here. Now here you have to select payment captured. As it is written here, payment captured from the active event section. And now we have successfully added our account to our Pably Connect account, Razorpay account to our Pably Connect account. Now what are we going to do? We are going to make a payment. And now as soon as the payment will be made, a response here in the Pably Connect section will be, what should I say? I'm sorry. The response here in the Pably Connect section will be visible. Okay. So here, let me go here. I have made a payment page. So I'll just go for payment pages. And this is a social media marketing tutorial course which I'm selling online. Okay. So I'll just go. So you can see we have this name, email, phone, and amount. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to create and publish page. Add at least one price field. Oh, what happened to this? Okay, first let me delete this one. Price field, fixed amount and amount. And the amount of this course will be 400 rupees. Okay, so you can see the amount of this course is 400 rupees, or price of this course is 400 rupees. Now whenever someone will buy this course from me, an automatic data will be saved to my Airtable database. Okay, now create and publish page, copy this here and paste it here. Okay, now name Arpit Sharma, he is the one who is buying from me. Email arpitsharma@gmail.com. Phone number 0987654321. I'm just putting in a dummy phone number here and pay 400 rupees. So I am using a dummy card payment here. 41111111. Expiry is 11/24. Card holder is Arpit Sharma and CVV is 567. Okay, pay 400 rupees. It is loading. It will ask me for the payment and it has been successful. So you can see here it is written payment successful. Now what I have to do, I have to go back to Pabbly Connect and you can see here is my response. Event, this, payment captured. All of these things are here. All the details are here. Now, as you can see here, the payment was 400 rupees, but it is showing me 40,000 rupees, which means it did not take the decimal, the point here for 400 rupees. So what we are going to do, we are going to connect and correct this. So how we are going to do that? We are going to use a feature API by Pabbly Connect where we will just go on action event get and here we have to put the endpoint URL. So now endpoint URL is the URL which you will not get anywhere else. We have to, give it to you and we already have an endpoint URL with us which you can copy from the description box. I'm just going to put this here. Okay, put that endpoint URL here. So this is the endpoint URL. Now authentication is set parameters and do not worry about this. Parameter is nothing but just a name. So what are we doing here? We are trimming the amount. So we will go for amount. And from here, I'm just going to use a technique which is called mapping, which will let me take the data from here and it will let me put it here in this field. So here I am going to take the payment, which is 40,000. And as soon as I will save and send test request, you can see the amount is now 400 rupees. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is I am going to connect my Airtable account to my Pabbly Connect account so that whenever a new data has been received from Razorpay, that data will automatically be sent to the Airtable database. Okay. So add new connection. And how you are going to add it? You have to go to your Airtable, then click on account, then copy this API, go back to Pabbly Connect and paste this. Okay. Now save it. And as soon as you will save it, you will see that your Airtable has been successfully connected to your Pabbly Connect. Now what you have to do, you have to select the base ID. So this is your base ID, Razorpay integration. Select this. Razorpay integration. Now table name is table 1. It will automatically take the table name. Now name. Again, I am going to use the mapping technique here to fill these fields. So name was Arpit Sharma. This is the name, number, this is the number, email, this is the email, and amount. So amount we got from our API when we trimmed the amount. So we will take this amount here and I will just save and send test request. And you can see as soon as I did that, I got a response here in Airtable, Arpit Sharma 9876543221, arpitsharma@gmail.com, and amount is 400. Let us try this one more time. Name, Swati Sharma, email, swatisharma@gmail.com, phone 08986755612345678910. Okay. Now price 400 rupees only. Pay. Again, I am going to choose the same card method. Expiry is 24. Swati Sharma, CVV is 567. Okay. Pay 400 rupees. Skip saving card. And as soon as I will click on success, you can see the payment will be successful. And here you can see we have the entry Swati Sharma. This is the phone number, this is the email, and this is the amount here. So this is how you can integrate your Razorpay with your Airtable account, and whenever a successful payment has been made to your Razorpay account, the data will come to the Airtable database and a new record will be created. So if you want to follow this workflow and if you want to clone it into your account, you can clone it from my description box, and for that you need to have an account, and to do that you have to go and sign up. Signing up is absolutely free, and we are also giving you 100 free tasks every month. So what are you waiting for? Go and sign up now. Hasta la vista.
So thanks a lot for watching our video. I hope you understood everything. Now if you want any other events to added in our module, what you can do is you can mail us at admin@pabbly.com. If you have any queries regarding this software, you can just ask your queries at this website, at this link. And if you want to check the prices, you can visit here to this link and check the prices of the software. Now I just want to tell you that automation is a boon for us, and it can change the future, and I will suggest you to take this as quickly as possible, which will ease your task, save your time, and save you a lot of efforts. Thank you.